My people, healing begins when the body is clean on the inside. The colon is the doorway to help, and when waste is removed, the cells can finally breathe again. What I share with you today is simple, natural, and powerful. Use it with consistency, and your body will show you what true cleansing feels like.
Seniors, what if I told you that just 1 spoon of a simple oil before bed could flush out years of toxic buildup sitting inside your colon right now? Dr. Sebi warned that when the colon gets clogged, everything in the body suffers. Your energy, your digestion, even your immune system. But he also revealed a secret remedy that works overnight, cleansing the colon so powerfully that people wake up lighter, cleaner, and more energized than they've felt in years. In today's video, we're diving deep into Dr. Sebi's hidden oil cleanse, how it works, why it's so powerful, and the shocking reason most seniors never hear about it. Stay with me, because the ending will reveal the exact oil and the precise nighttime method that can transform your colon health fast. The colon is the most overlooked organ in the entire body, yet it affects everything from your digestion to your skin, your brain, your energy, and even the way you age. Dr. Sebi believed that disease begins in a dirty, acidic internal environment, and the colon is the first place where this mucus buildup quietly collects. Over the years, the foods we eat, especially processed foods, dairy, fried items, and sugary snacks, stick to the colon walls like glue. Seniors feel this more strongly because digestion slows with age, waste moves sluggishly, meals sit longer, toxic residue dries and hardens. As this happens day after day, your colon becomes like a pipe with thick sludge lining the inside. Suddenly, you start feeling bloated after every meal. Your stomach becomes tight and heavy. You wake up tired even after sleeping 8 hours, and your appetite feels strange, sometimes too low, sometimes suddenly high. For many seniors, this is the starting point of bigger issues: constipation, indigestion, piles, gas pressure, headaches, joint pain, and even bad breath. And yet, most people ignore these signs, assuming they're just a normal part of aging. But Dr. Sebi always said, if you clean the colon, you clean the whole body. He believed the colon is like the engine filter of the body. When it's clogged, everything else begins to break down. And this is where the suspense truly begins, because there is one natural oil used for thousands of years that Dr. Sebi quietly emphasized in his detox teachings. It's not expensive, not rare, and not a fancy supplement from a health store. In fact, it's probably sitting in millions of homes right now, but almost nobody uses it the way Dr. Sebi recommended. This oil doesn't just soften stool, it actually dissolves old, hardened waste stuck to the colon walls and allows your intestines to push everything out smoothly the next morning. Seniors who use it often feel immediate relief, especially if their stomach has been feeling tight or swollen for a long time. And, you know, the best part? It works overnight while you sleep without cramps, harsh laxatives, or bathroom emergencies. Before revealing the oil, let's understand why the colon becomes blocked in the first place. Many seniors unknowingly create a toxic cycle inside their gut. When digestion slows with age, food doesn't break down properly. It ferments instead. This fermentation creates gas, acidity, and bacterial overgrowth. Over time, this environment weakens the colon muscles and slows peristalsis, those wave-like motions that push stool through the intestines. When peristalsis becomes weak, the colon can no longer empty completely. Every bowel movement leaves behind a small amount of waste, which dries and hardens. Layer by layer, year after year, this builds up like cement. Dr. Sebi called this mucus plaque, and, modern experts call it fecal impaction. Whatever the name, the result is the same. Your colon becomes narrow, inflamed, sluggish, and unable to eliminate waste efficiently. This is why so many seniors feel heavy after meals, struggle to pass stool, or spend longer in the bathroom as they age. It's not because they're weak, it's because their colon is, screaming for help. And here's where the oil comes in. This natural oil coats the colon walls, hydrates the dried waste, softens the hardened mucus layer, and lubricates the intestinal lining. Unlike chemical laxatives that force the colon to contract suddenly, which honestly can be dangerous for seniors, this oil works gently and naturally. You don't feel cramps, you don't feel urgency, and you don't feel dehydrated. You simply wake up in the morning and feel your body empty with ease. Now, Dr. Sebi didn't just reveal the oil, he also explained the exact timing that makes it work. According to his philosophy, the body switches into detox mode at night, especially between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. This is when the liver, kidneys, and colon begin their cleansing cycle. By taking this oil before bed, you're giving your body the exact support it needs to push out toxins effortlessly. Many seniors report waking up with a flatter stomach, lighter body, less gas, and renewed energy. Some even say, their face looks fresher the next morning because internal cleansing reduces inflammation and water retention. But here's the twist. This oil alone is not enough if you're making certain mistakes. Dr. Sebi warned against one dangerous habit that most seniors do every night, and this habit cancels out the oil's cleansing effect. Many people eat heavy dinners late at night, including meat, dairy, bread, and fried foods. These foods take hours to digest, sometimes 8 to 12 hours for meat. When you sleep immediately after eating such heavy meals, your colon becomes overloaded. Instead of cleansing, it becomes blocked, stuffed, and inflamed. This is why some seniors wake up feeling exhausted, stiff, and bloated. But, when you combine a lighter dinner with Dr. Sebi's nighttime oil remedy, your colon suddenly gets the green light to clean itself thoroughly. Another important point is hydration. Seniors often drink very little water after evening, but this oil actually pulls water into the colon to soften waste. If your body is dehydrated, the oil just can't work to its full potential. That's why Dr. Sebi always encouraged warm herbal teas or alkaline water throughout the day. A hydrated body responds instantly to detox. Now, you might be feeling curious. What is this oil? How much should I take? When should I take it? How fast does it work? And you should be curious, because this is where the magic finally unfolds. Many seniors in detox communities swear by it. Natural healers recommend it. Even modern colon therapists acknowledge its power. But before revealing the oil, let's understand what happens when your colon finally cleanses properly. Seniors often describe waking up with a sudden feeling of lightness in the stomach, a feeling they haven't had in years. Some say their back pain reduces because the colon no longer pushes against the lower spine. Others say their bloating disappears, their mood improves, and they feel mentally sharper. This is because a clean colon allows better nutrient absorption, reduced inflammation, and improved gut-brain communication. When the colon is clean, the body can finally heal itself. Now that you understand why the colon becomes blocked, why digestion slows with age, and why Dr. Sebi believed cleansing the colon is the foundation of all healing, it's time to reveal the oil, the exact dosage, and the method that makes this remedy work so powerfully overnight. According to Dr. Sebi's alkaline approach, the oil that cleans the colon most effectively is cold-pressed castor oil, a natural plant-based oil used for thousands of years in ancient healing systems. Unlike typical oils that only lubricate the intestines, castor oil penetrates deep into the colon walls, hydrates dry waste, reduces inflammation, stimulates natural peristalsis, and encourages the intestines to push out mucus, toxins, and old residue that may have been sitting inside for weeks or even years. Dr. Sebi believed that a clean colon is the path to an alkaline body, and castor oil's cleansing action aligns perfectly with that philosophy. But here's the most important part. It must be used correctly. Used the wrong way, it can cause discomfort. Used the right way, it works gently overnight without harshness or cramping. So, how do you take it? The method is surprisingly simple. Seniors should take 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil right before bedtime, ideally 15 to 20 minutes after drinking a small cup of warm alkaline water or warm herbal tea such as chamomile, ginger, or peppermint. This warm liquid activates the digestive tract, relaxes the colon muscles, and prepares the intestines to receive the oil. Once you take the tablespoon of castor oil, you don't eat or drink anything else. You simply lie down and allow the oil to begin its gentle cleansing process while you sleep. During the night, castor oil works like a magnet, pulling water into the colon to soften the dried mucus layer and hydrate the old, impacted waste that has been stuck to the colon walls. Your stomach remains calm. There are no sudden bathroom emergencies. The magic happens quietly while you rest. By morning, something remarkable occurs. Most seniors wake up with a natural urge to use the bathroom, but with far more ease than usual. The stool comes out softer, smoother, and more complete. Some people notice a surprising amount of mucus or waste that they didn't expect. Others feel an instant reduction in bloating, pressure, and abdominal tightness. Many describe the experience as feeling empty and light for the first time in years. This is the colon finally releasing layers of waste that the body was holding onto. When this waste leaves the system, your body can redirect its energy from digestion toward healing. This is why Dr. Sebi emphasized cleansing. The body cannot repair itself if it is constantly fighting old, trapped toxins. But here is something essential. Do not take castor oil every night. Seniors should use it only 1 to 2 times per week, depending on their digestive strength. Daily use is unnecessary and may lead to dependency. Dr. Sebi always believed in supporting the body's natural detox abilities, not overwhelming them. Between castor oil cleanse days, focus on eating alkaline foods, leafy greens, cucumbers, avocados, berries, walnuts, and herbal teas. These support colon function naturally and keep the intestines hydrated and flexible. You should also avoid heavy late-night dinners if you want the oil to work properly. Eating fried or heavy foods before bed creates more waste and, honestly, slows the cleansing cycle. Another important tip is hydration. Seniors often underestimate the role of water in colon health. Castor oil draws water into the colon, but if your body is dehydrated, the effect becomes weaker. So, throughout the day, especially in the afternoon, sip on warm water or herbal teas. You don't need large quantities at once. Small but frequent sips hydrate the intestines more effectively. Now, let's talk about the 3 common mistakes seniors make when trying colon cleanses and how to avoid them for best results. Mistake number 1, taking the oil on a full stomach. This actually slows digestion, causes heaviness, and may delay cleansing by several hours. Always take the oil at least 3 hours after dinner. Mistake number 2, using low-quality or processed oils. Only cold-pressed food-grade castor oil should be used internally. Cheaper alternatives may be mixed with additives and can irritate the colon. Mistake number 3 is expecting instant results like a chemical laxative. Castor oil is a natural cleanser. It works gradually, gently, and safely. You may go once, twice, or even 3 times the next morning, depending on how much waste your body is holding. The goal is not speed. The goal is completeness. Once you avoid these mistakes, the transformation becomes noticeable. Many seniors report clearer skin, lighter digestion, increased appetite, reduced gas, better sleep, and even improved mood after a few weeks of consistent use. This is because the gut and brain are deeply connected, the gut-brain axis. When your colon is inflamed, toxins can enter the bloodstream and affect your mental clarity. When your colon is clean, your brain receives clean signals and more stable energy. One more thing Dr. Sebi always emphasized is listening to your body. If you feel too empty, dehydrated, or weak, reduce the dosage to half a tablespoon. If you feel comfortable and want a deeper cleanse, you can increase the dosage to 1.5 tablespoons once per week. Start slow, observe your body's reaction, and adjust accordingly. Everyone's digestive strength is different, especially after age 50. To maintain the results, many seniors follow a weekly schedule: castor oil on Sunday night, light meals on Monday, alkaline foods through the week, and warm herbal teas in the evening. Just this simple routine has helped thousands regain digestive comfort without medications. It works because it aligns with how the body naturally detoxes, slowly, gently, and consistently. So now you know the complete process: the oil, the method, the timing, the benefits, and the mistakes to avoid. What you do with this information can profoundly change your gut health and overall energy. In the next section, we'll wrap up everything you need to remember and help you take the first step toward a clean, healthy colon using Dr. Sebi's natural approach.